Welcome to Exercise Explained. So in this video we'll be doing from question number 10 onwards. So the previous video you have from question number 1 to question number 9. The links will be given in the description below. So starting with the 10th question, motion in one dimension, exercise 2A, ICSE 9th. A car starting from rest acquires a velocity of 180 meter per second in 0.05 hours. Find the acceleration. So it is clearly given here starting from rest. So starting from rest means initial velocity is equal to 0. Acquires a velocity means this is final velocity. So final velocity is given as 180 meter per second. Time is given to be 0.05 hours. So if you have noticed, the time is not given in SI unit. We need to convert it to SI units. We need to find the acceleration. So I've just written the given data, that is u is equal to 0 because it is starting from rest. Acquires a velocity, that is final velocity is 180 meter per second. Time is 0.05 hours. So 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So 0.05 hours will be 0.05 into 3600. So that gives us 180 seconds. Now I would be using A is equal to V minus U by T formula, that is acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So I just substitute the values, that is final velocity as 180, initial velocity as 0 and time as 180. So we get it as 180 divided by 180, everything cancels. So we get acceleration as 1 meter per second square. Coming to question number 11, exercise explained. So here ICSE 9th, motion in one dimension, exercise 2A. A body is moving vertically upwards. Its velocity changes at a constant rate from 50 meter per second to 20 meter per second. So something is thrown upwards, it is going upwards, and the velocity is changing from 50 meter per second. So this would be our initial velocity and this would be our final velocity. So 20 meter per second will be our final velocity in 3 seconds. So time taken is 3 seconds. What is its acceleration? So I write down the given data, that is initial velocity is 50 meter per second. That means when it was thrown, it is 50 meter per second. And as it is going up, the gravity will be acting against it. So the velocity reduces and it reduces to 20 meter per second. We take that as final velocity. Time is 3 seconds. So time is taken as 3 seconds here. So A is equal to V minus U by T. So I just substitute the value. V is 20, U is 50 and T is 3. So 20 minus 50 divided by 3. So 20 minus 50 gives me minus 30 divided by 3. So 3 into 10 times is 30. So we get it as minus 10 meter per second square. So here the question had asked acceleration. So we will write acceleration as minus 10 meter per second square. If at all the question would have asked retardation, everything would have remained same, and at the end you would have written retardation is equal to 10 meter per second square. So here in brackets, since acceleration came to be negative, I have written it as retardation. Retardation is nothing but negative acceleration. Coming to question number 12, ICSE 9th, motion in one dimension, exercise 2A. A toy car initially moving with a uniform velocity of 18 km per hour. So initially moving with a uniform velocity of 18 kilometers per hour means it is the initial velocity here, and comes to stop comes to stop in 2 seconds, find the retardation of the car in SI units. So initial velocity is given as 18 kilometers per hour, comes to stop in 2 seconds. So final velocity will be 0. Time is 2 seconds. So time taken for it is 2 seconds. Find the retardation of the car in SI units. So first we need to convert this 18 kilometer per hour to meter per second. So the way we convert 18 kilometer per hour to meter per second, as you would have seen in the first few questions of the exercise, u is equal to 18 kilometer per hour. So we can multiply by 5 by 18. So it becomes 18 into 5 by 18, that is 5 meter per second. Final velocity, since the body comes to stop, is 0. So final velocity is 0. Time is 2 seconds. So time taken is 2 seconds. So we would just be putting it in the acceleration formula, that is a is equal to v minus u by t. So we get it as 0 minus 5 divided by 2. So we get it as minus 5 divided by 2. So minus 5 by 2 is nothing but minus 2.5 meter per second square. Now see, in the previous question they had asked acceleration, but in this question they have asked retardation. So everything remains the same. Only thing what we will write is, therefore retardation is equal to 2.5 meter per second square. Coming to the 13th question, a car accelerates at the rate of 5 meter per second square. So acceleration is given as 5 meter per second square. Find the increase in its velocity in 2 seconds. Now increase in its velocity is nothing but change in velocity, which is nothing but final velocity minus initial velocity. See, change in something will always be measured by final minus initial. So here I can write increase in velocity is nothing but final velocity minus initial velocity, which can be written as v minus u. So we need to find the value of v minus u. So the given data is written as it is: acceleration 5 meter per second square, time 2 seconds. So a is equal to v minus u by t. So t goes to the other side, we get at is equal to v minus u. Now we need to find the value of v minus u. We need not find the individual values of v and u. We just need to find the value of v minus u. So v minus u is equal to 5 into 2. So that is 10 meter per second. So change in velocity or increase in velocity is 10 meter per second. So the 14th question onwards will be there in the next video of the series, the link for which will be there in the description below. Do watch the video and do share it with your friends. Dhanyavad.